Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a maintenance vlog. Right here I'm doing my hair. Some footage did get lost, but y'all get the point. Before we even get too deep into the video, if you're new, please subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and comment down below what you want to see next. Alright y'all, so I am finally dressed. We'll do a little fit check. I just realized that I forgot my tripod, but that's okay, we still gonna get it done. I'm about to head over to my dad's house. I'm gonna hang out with him today. I'm gonna get my toes done too, but he don't know it yet, but I'm gonna teach him how to be a little YouTuber. He gonna hold the camera and stuff for me, possibly. He be dropping stuff, maybe not. Okay, I might do it myself, but yeah, so I'm dressed, I'm ready to go, and yeah, let's go. Alright y'all, so I just made it to my dad's. We going to the nail shop. I'm gonna hang out with him today. He's just gonna take me up there. I guess my grandma used to go to that place, and I know they did her nails really good. So yeah, we're gonna get some nail. I'm gonna get my toes done, and then after that I'm gonna hit Target. I want to get some stuff, and then after that I need to go to Best Buy because I need to figure out why my phone isn't able to connect through Bluetooth to my camera to be able to like save the pictures and videos, because I have videos that I've been filming but I just can't get them onto my phone to edit them. So we're gonna figure out what the problem is today. But I hope you guys are enjoying this video, and I'll get back to you guys when I'm at the nail shop. Alright y'all, so I'm with my dad. Say hi to the people.
Hi.
Period. So we're on our way to the nail shop right now. I don't know how I want to get my feet done, but I'm not gonna get nothing too crazy. Yeah, like I said in the first or beginning clip, we will get back to you guys when we get to the nail shop. Just wanted to introduce y'all. Okay, bye. Please ignore whatever's on my sandal. I don't know what happened. Alright y'all, so I just finished getting my toes done. I feel really good, honestly. It feels good to be able to pamper yourself after working hard to earn the money. So it was nice. My toes are done. Let me show y'all. Toes are done. I don't know what's on my shoe, but it's not giving, so. But next stop is Target, and then we're gonna go to Best Buy. Okay, alright. Alright y'all, so we just got to Best Buy. I decided that I'm gonna buy a SIM card because my videos are way too long and I need more storage. And I gotta go in here and ask the people what's up with my camera. It's not connecting with my phone through Bluetooth. So,
and I'm gonna go in there and try not to buy anything.
Yeah,
nothing.
So we here. Let me show you what it's giving. It's giving Best Buy. Yeah. Alright, I'll get back at y'all when we get inside. Bye.
Bye.
Get the cameras, y'all. Okay, so we didn't see these. Y'all, I don't know how we did it, but he said I should probably get this. Let's see. Okay, it's given. And I could hold it. Okay, it's given. Okay, I think I'm gonna get this one for sure. So, I'm gonna get the Joby Gorilla Pod 1K Smart. I don't know if that even matters. I'm gonna get this one. I'm trying to get to focus, but I don't think it is. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna get this one right here. Yeah. Alright. And then SIM cards. Alright, y'all, got some SIM cards right here. I honestly should get something with the most, you know. What about this one? It's 256 gigabyte.
This is also the most money.
Yeah.
Wait, no, this one's also 256, but that one's 37.
Y'all
What's the one you have now?
Which one should I get? That's what I need to also look at.
Because if you already have this one,
What should I get, y'all? What should I get? Alright, y'all, so I'm gonna get this one. The one I have now, I just checked and it was only 34 gigabytes. So what's that?
So she can literally get this one and be okay.
I could have got that one, but I'm gonna get this one just so I don't have to keep coming back to get stuff, you know what I mean? So, yeah. So I just sat up here and lost Ronnie. She over here looking at ring lights. I want one of these. This is tight. Oh, listen. That'll work out just right. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Thank you guys for helping us. We got it. We got it. We really got it. We got it. We got it. We really. Alright, y'all. It's on the tripod now. I'm liking this tripod, y'all. It's nice and you can hold it and be sturdy with it.
Should I get a food ninja?
Ooh, that's real nice. I like that.
And they have the one where you can make it like a smoothie to go.
Thick.
I think I may get this one though. This is a bigger smoothie. Or this one. This is a food processor.
Oh, look at this. This is nice. I don't know, I like stuff like this. Like that and then that.
This is a touchscreen.
It's a touchscreen? It's an oven?
It's a touchscreen.
Wow. Whoa, I need to show this to my mom. Let me hold on. I gotta show my mom. Hold on, y'all. I gotta text my mama. I don't think I would like to cook on nothing like this. First of all, it's too tall for me. Show them how tall it is.
The height difference.
This is tall for me. I'd be like,
Be burning herself trying to reach over.
okay. What else they got over here? They got stove.
This is a good stove. This is a good oven stove. This is a good oven combination.
Y'all, put the camera on me. I'm trying to teach my friends how to be YouTubers, so if they get a channel, you know.
Which is never gonna happen.
You know what?
Probably
You're gonna take over my YouTube channel for a day.
Ooh.
Yeah. Yes, you are.
No,
I'm gonna.
not.
Yes.
No, I'm not.
All you gotta do is.
I don't care
just
what I gotta
film
do.
it.
I'm not doing it.
Why? All you gotta do is film, and then I'll edit everything.
Miss Man.
That sounds fun. A day in Ronnie's life.
Miss Man.
Y'all tell me in the comments down below. Shouldn't I do that? Like that would be something.
If you love
cool.
me, say no.
No, say yes.
If you love me, say no.
Say yes. A friend taking over your YouTube channel for a day. I feel like that's
don't really
lit.
want to be on camera like that, though.
Girl, listen. You go put your nice clothes on, feeling good, and go take your do a video. YouTube. Okay, we're probably being loud.
Have a mini fridge.
Yeah. That's cute. I had one like this when I was in college. I'm still in college. I keep saying that. When I was in Arizona. Yeah. I think this is it, y'all. I think we're gonna go. We were just walking around, browsing a little bit, but I think we about to leave now. We about to go to what, Target? Yes. Target time. See y'all when we get there. Bye. We need something to eat, y'all. So we gonna go. Where we going? I never had juice it up before. Should I try it?
Baja Fresh Mexican girl. We've been talking about tacos.
What's there? Oh, is it Tuesday?
It's Tuesday.
Oh. No, I want Chipotle. But
is Chipotle?
a Chipotle?
They have burrito bowls.
I want Chipotle. I had Chipotle that one time. If y'all haven't seen my video, go watch it. But I had Chipotle for the first time, and it was busting down. So, I think I want Chipotle. But I'm gonna see what the Baja Fresh Mexican girl has. And then, yeah. Let's see what it's giving, y'all. That looks pretty good. They got churro. I think I'm gonna get the Baja corn tortilla tacos. I'm not gonna film too much in here because I don't want to get copyrighted. I know y'all understand, so I'll be back when the food gets there.
Since you dropped it, let's not waste like a little bit of it.
Damn.
Do you want a dressing? Yeah. Okay. Extra tortilla cheese on it. That was a bell.
But
Sorry. Is my movie not funny? Yeah.
don't you drop it. Food is here. 2 and 3. Let's see what's up. Alright, I'll get back to y'all when we finish. This food fire.
Food. Everything I needed in one.
Y'all, that food was 10 out of 10, definitely gave.
10 out of 10.
I'm so glad we came here. Yeah, service was 10 out of 10. I told the cook before we left that it was bomb. And I was like, you work every Tuesday? Alright, I'm gonna be up here. That food was busting. That, and I mean, I had steak tacos. And y'all, the steak wasn't too tough. It wasn't too chewy. It was that melt in your mouth type of thing. It was fire. And then those churros. Can we talk about the churros? Hold on. Let's get in the car. We're gonna talk, y'all. Them churros was busting. It was like a pound cake type of
like pound cake, like a 7-Up butt cake.
Oh my god, it was so fire.
And then a churro.
Yeah, it was definitely giving. I told the cook like listen, you know how when you get more money you gonna come back and bless somebody.
It got to the point we asked when he be working.
Yeah, that food was really good.
From beginning to end. He
had a big smile on his face. He was happy.
I like how we made his day with that.
Yeah, that food was bomb.
We did have a mishap.
Okay.
We did have a mishap. But
what was the mishap?
Okay, so the kind waitress had a little bit of a clumsy moment and spilled my shrimp tostada salad. However, I got a new one, freshly made. I got extra dressing. I got extra cheese.
Period.
And I feel like they added some extra shrimp because they feel bad for me. Yeah. Still, food was still good.
Right. At least it didn't spill on her.
It didn't spill on me.
And
she was so sweet about it.
The food was so good, it just really didn't matter. It made up for everything that happened.
Yep.
Because I was going to take the first bite, and then from the corner of my eye, I just see food on the table. And I'm like...
And for me, it was like watching it in slow motion. Yeah. It was a little heartbreaking. I will not lie.
All right, we're going to save Home Depot for another day. We're just going to go to Target, and then when we get there, I'll show you. Okay, see you in a minute. Bye. Alright, y'all, so we are in Target. I wanted to look at some journals and stuff. I'm just really looking, honestly, because I already have one, and I have a journal. I do need a planner, but I'm gonna just wait till the new year. That way I don't have to wait too long to use it, because I'll probably forget about it. Wow, I haven't been to the store in a while, y'all, especially Target, but this is what it came to. We're locking up toothpaste now.
Right, in Target though.
Wow.
Normally it's Walmart.
Yeah.
They got teas.
They got in.
Oh, they got ours.
They got ours. I wish I drank coffee enough at home to buy something like this.
Tea.
Oh yeah. I haven't drunk tea in a minute though. I need to start again.
That's okay. I thought it was on. I got excited.
Alright, y'all, I'm back. I had to tell Ronnie she was on her own in that dairy section. It's too cold in here, but I'm checking out the journals right now. Let's see. Yeah, there is. Okay, I think they're over here. I don't know, it's not really giving, guys. They don't really have. I'm gonna go. Let me check in the. Okay, they do kind of have like. Oh, okay. I do like stuff like this, kind of. I never really did anything like it, but like it gives you like tasks for the day and stuff and quotes. And then right here, I don't know. It's like ask you little questions and then you write it. I don't know though. I don't think I want that. I want something, but let the adults in again. Yeah, this looks like a little kid book. 300 more. A journal in which I can, let's see, fiercely scribble the heavily detailed, multi-layered evidence for how freaking freaked out I freaking. Okay, that says too much stuff. I don't think I would like this one either. It's doing a lot on the front page. Yeah, no, I don't want to be freaked out. Why are they writing books about being freaked out? Okay, this. Oh, this is cute. This is cute. This journal belongs to.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so this one is just pages. Which is dope. I think I like this one. And then her necklace. My camera's having a hard time focusing, y'all. I'm sorry, but the necklace she has on says "Guard your spirit." Oh, it's $9.99. I do like that though. That is cute. I didn't really see any journals that I really thought was like, oh my god, I need to buy this. You know what I mean? So, what are we looking at now? Are we done?
Yeah.
We're kind of done, guys. We're done. You got
Yeah.
your items. You know, I didn't really see anything here that I really liked. It's a bummer, but it's always a next time.
Always a next time.
So we're about to check out, and then I'll get back to y'all when we're in the car. Bye. Bye. Ronnie is in checkout. I was ready to go sit down. You know how you just ate and like you lucky got the itis and you just ready to just sit down. So I'm back in the car. I feel like I really look pretty today. I'm happy with how I came out. It feels good to finally be able to give myself a self-care day. It's honestly really needed. That food really hit the spot, y'all. That food was really good. It was Baja fresh Mexican girl something. But yeah, I think next all that is left to do is just drop this stuff off at Ronnie's house, and then after that
Go back to the house.
yeah, and we'll close out the vlog then. So we will see y'all in a minute. I hope you guys are enjoying the video. If you're new, please subscribe if you haven't already.
Like that button over there.
Yeah, press the like button and comment down below what you guys want to see next, and I got you. And we are out of here. Bye. Alright, y'all, we just made it in not too long ago. I had to go put on some warmer clothes because it's too cold out here. But thank you guys so much for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you guys want to see anything else by me, comment that down below and I got you. Subscribe if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up, and I'll be back in the next one. Bye.